Hello and welcome to this new airplane model unboxing. Today I've received this parcel from Herpa and let's take a look what's inside. So slice the corners here. And also on the other side here. Right, then let's take a look inside of the box here. As you can see in here, there is a Singapore Airlines model. I believe it's one of the newer releases from Herpa, as I've never seen it before I, of course, then found this. It is a DHL and Singapore Airlines 777 plane. It's a freighter, and let's take it out of the box here. It is actually a rather large box and way different than all their other box designs, which is rather nice. So here at the back side of the box here we have a bit of information about the airplane model. It says here DHL Singapore Airlines and then operated by Singapore Airlines on behalf of DHL Express. So yeah, here let's see if we can get the box opened. There we are. Okie dokie, let's see if we are able to get it out of there. Comes in very fancy packaging compared to all the other models. Alright, so let's push that to the side and let's take a look in here. Up there we can see, of course, the engines, tail, and in here it appears to be the stand. And of course also the fuselage up there. Let's get this stand out of here. Damn. That is a very nice stand indeed here. Let's see if we can get it to focus on it. There we are. Glass stand, or somewhat glass looking. Let's here get the 777 out of there. Just put it down there. Very nice. Put it to the side so we can get the rest down. Here we have the tail part. Then we get the wing here, the GE90 on it. And of course there will be another wing up here. Maybe flip it the right way around. Very nice. And I believe there's also the horizontal stabilizers in here. One. And of course the second. I believe that is everything in here. Very fancy packaging, I will say. Put that to the side. And now let's start assembling the model here. Okay, so we can start by putting that, I believe it goes in here. Didn't really come in too easily. Well, it didn't really snap in very easy. But we got it now. And then we'll see if the other one will come in a bit easier. Okay, so there we have it. Now it finally got in. Well, let's just put that there. Right, so now... Okay, so now we're gonna get this part in here. Should just slide right on here into the top. Just need to give it a bit of pressure here to get it in. It's perfect. And there you can also see the registration of the aircraft. Right about there, 9 Victory Delta Hotel Alpha. So now we need to get the wing in. Hopefully that's quite easy here. Yeah, they just snap right on in, perfect. Looking very nice indeed, damn, okay. And then to the other wing here. So we can just go get it in focus. There we are. Get the wing here. Awesome. There it is, fully assembled. Let's get it on the stand. So we'll put the stand down right there. There we are. Let's take a look at it here. Looking very, very nice, this model here, I must say. I can take a bit of a closer look at the nose there. Bring a bit back, it says here up there in the top, operated by Singapore Airlines. You can see the engines, of course the nice wing, and then the DHL tail, where it's like, you can kind of say a hybrid plane. And then the very nice stand, nice addition to the Herpa Wings Snapfit models. So now I'll put it up into my collection and show you how it looks. Alrighty then, so now the airplane model is standing here next to my Singapore Airlines A350. And whilst I was putting it up here, I noticed a little bit of mistake here with the model. So we just quickly get it down here on the floor. Well, there's just a bit of a scratch or something, you can call it. There in the wing, like some red paint. But besides that, it's a very, very nice model indeed. So I would just like to thank you for watching this video on the Singapore Airlines DHL 777 freighter. If you enjoyed, please feel free to drop a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.